Welcome to Slovenia, a nature lover's paradise. Your tour starts at its top alpine resort, Lake Bled. The unbelievably scenic lake has an island with a pilgrimage church in the middle, guarded by a cliff-top castle. You will quickly fall in love with the magical surroundings of the bluish-green lake, surrounded by lush forest and mountains. It attracts all sorts of travelers, couples looking for a romantic setting, as well as families and backpackers who come for sports. Lake Bled is also one of the most picturesque places for rowing in Europe. You can rent a rowboat, admire the serenity of the lake, and then explore the small island. There are about 90 stone steps leading to the church on the island, which is a popular wedding venue. A tradition dictates that the groom should carry the bride all the way up if they want to have a happy marriage. The Church of the Assumption dates back to the mid-15th century and was rebuilt in Baroque style. For a fee, you can ring the bell in the large bell tower, and legends say that it will bring you good luck. Just a 10-minute drive from Lake Bled lies Vintgar Gorge, an approximately 1-mile stretch of amazingly blue water running across the gorge carved into the limestone rock. When the gorge was discovered in 1891, the area was almost impenetrable. However, boardwalks, bridges, and galleries were quickly added to make it accessible for tourists. The galleries are named after the cartographer who discovered the gorge, Immerse Galleries. Every year, more and more visitors come to stroll around and take in the beauty of the natural wonder. At the end of the trail, you reach one of the 3 river waterfalls in Slovenia, Bohinj Waterfall. You can climb above the waterfall to admire it from the bird's perspective. Less known than Lake Bled, but in no way less beautiful, that's Bohinj Lake. The glacial lake is located in a forest with hidden waterfalls. You can rent paddle boards here or just chill out by the shallow beaches, which are perfect for families. Lake Bohinj is less crowded than Lake Bled, and overall, it has a more authentic atmosphere. It's part of Triglav National Park and neighbors a tiny village, whose most prominent feature is St. John the Baptist Church, towering above the lake. Although it appears older, the bridge was only built in 1926 when it replaced the original wooden bridge. Together with the church, it became the symbol of Lake Bohinj, and it provides great views of the lake and the river on the other side. From Lake Bohinj, you can take a short hike to Savica Waterfall, which forms this river until it flows into the lake. The walk is well worth the effort. As you reach the viewing platform, you are rewarded with a magnificent view of the Savica Waterfall, one of the most charming waterfalls in Slovenia. The stream is divided into 2 parts, and this A-shaped part is about 250 feet high. With calm lakes, lush forests, and astonishing mountains, Slovenia's natural attractions will take your breath away. Your tour ends with a last view of the Savica Waterfall cascading down.